Hello and welcome back to the Footsteps to Life channel, where today I am bringing you a brand new series called Crafts for Kids, where we'll be doing a whole variety of different arts and crafts activities that you can do at home with your children. So today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make some slime. Right, okay, so now let's have a look at what we're going to need to make our slime. As you are all probably aware, there's a lot of different recipes that you can choose. The one that I am choosing to do today involves the eye contact solution, which does have boric acid in it, and the one with the baking soda. Okay, again, we have a variety of food colorings, which I've chosen to have red. I've got some green and some yellow. Again, you can choose any colors that you would like. I've even got a little bit of glitter at the end, which we can add to make it look a little bit prettier. The main ingredient obviously is your PVA glue. And then what I think is quite a nice little tip to do is if you make your slime inside one of these plastic cups, then it saves on getting the place dirty, and then it's also something that you can then use to store the slime once it's been made. And then just something to stir. I've just got a wooden stick, which is quite handy to do, but again, anything that you would like to then stir all your ingredients together. Right, okay, so step one is to add your PVA to the container that you are using to make your slime. For this, I'm going to put it up to roughly halfway. We'll put exact measurements in the description so that you know what your ratios are that you're working with. There we go, every little bit. One last bit, there we go. Done? Right, second part is to now choose your colouring. So I'm going to go for classic green. Also, that is my favourite colour, so why not? So I'm going to add a teaspoon of the green food colouring, and then with your stick that you're using to stir, you can then start to mix that in like so. Once you've got a nice consistent colour where you can see all the food colouring has been mixed in nice and evenly, then you can move on to this second step. So there we go. That's not looking too bad. Nice even green colour. Perfect. Right, second step is to now add your bicarb soda. So third step is to add your bicarb soda. So again, for this, the measurements will be in the description, but it will be roughly a teaspoon of the bicarb soda. There we go. And then again, you just now need to mix all this in and make sure that it's evenly spread into the cup. There we go, it's already looking like slime. Perfect. Oh, look at that, there we go. Right, the next step is to now add in our eye contact lens solution. So let's have a look. 2 to 3 teaspoons, and this is where you will now start to see the slime taking shape. It will start to get slightly thicker. It will get quite hard to stir. So make sure the stirrer that you do choose is actually up for the job, because this wooden stick is just about hanging on there. Right, there we go. You may need to slightly adjust your ingredients. So if you can see that it's still fairly runny, then I'd suggest that you can put in a little bit more of the contact lens solution. There we go, that's looking much better. Okay, using the plastic containers, ideally what you want to happen is for the slime to come away from the plastic. That's when you know that the slime is ready. So as you can see, it's still fairly sticky. So what we can do is to add a little bit more of the contact lens solution. And then this should then bring it away. And as you can see, it's now not sticking at all to the side of the container. So this is when you know that it's ready. There we go. And there we have it. Some nice green slime that your kids will have a lot of fun playing with. Let's hope that they don't make too much mess. Right, okay, and there we have it. I hope your slime has turned out just as well as this one. If at any stage that you do need to pause the video, then do so, just to make sure that you do each of the steps correctly. Remember, this is the first episode of the new series, Crafts for Kids, so make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss any of the upcoming uploads. If you do have any suggestions of things that you would like to see or for things that we can do, then please put that down in the comment section below, and that will be a future video for you to watch. So that's it from me, and we will see you in the next video.